This is a video on the Volkswagen new Beetle, how to remove the turn signal, the clear turn signal off the fender. I already removed the bolts, but I just decided to do a video to help anybody else out there. First you remove this piece right here, and it just slides backwards towards the windshield, and it comes off. Then you will find two T20 Torx screws, one there and one there. You remove both of those. And this part right here just comes up and pulls out. And it has two little tabs right there that go in the hole right in there somewhere. You move that to the side, you got about 6 more T20 screws that go right here. Well, 4 of them. 4 or 5 T20 Torx screws. And this plate comes up. It's sealed, so you have to pry up on it pretty hard and pull it out. Once you pull it out, up under all the leaves, you look to the left, and I hope you can see it. There is the clear turn signal right there, held on by 2 T20 Torx screws. You undo those screws, and of course, it slides right out. Hope this helps.